Hi, 1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to install a 3/8 to 1/2 inch adapter or 3/8 to 1/2 inch compression adapter. So what we're doing here today is we have got a sink, and the new faucet that we're putting on has just a 3/8 supply line. Now the problem with that is our existing valve over here, our existing shutoff valve, is actually 1/2 inch. So we cannot get this to fit on that existing shutoff valve, which means we need a 1/2 inch to 3/8 OD compression adapter. Now what's kind of confusing about this and what you need to know is that there are all different types of threads and fittings, and even though they may say the same dimensions, they may not actually fit on your existing supply line or your shutoff valve. And it's really important that you understand the name of the threads and what works. So if you have a shutoff valve and you're trying to connect it to a supply line, and the existing shutoff is 1/2 inch and the new supply line is 3/8, which is very common for new faucets, you need a 1/2 inch female OD to 3/8 of an inch OD. And that is outside diameter is what OD means. Now getting just a 1/2 inch by 3/8 fitting may not work. You need it to say this exact language. We will put a link to this below, and it should be a compression adapter. And the reason is because even though you may find something 1/2 inch by 3/8, the threads on the inside are cut differently sometimes. So what you really want to make sure you have is 1/2 inch female OD by 3/8 inch OD, and then that's going to work with this supply line. So it's got this extra little fitting on there. You don't need that, but sometimes that confuses people as to why it's on there. And you would put Teflon tape on this, and then all you do is screw down, and that will be screwed in. And then you can screw it in. Obviously you want to put Teflon tape on here as well, but you're going to go to your supply line and screw that in as well. So you can see it's a little bit goofy here. I'm going to unscrew it for the purpose of the video. Okay, so you go ahead and these threads will fit on this shutoff valve. So that is our 3/8 to 1/2 inch adapter, and now I can attach the supply line. And whenever you're doing this, you should put on Teflon tape, but because I'm doing this a couple different times, I don't want to ruin the Teflon tape. But you can see this is now working, and this is now seated. The 3/8 inch to 1/2 inch adapter is installed and correctly working. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll include a link below to the exact part you would need for this.